How to make a reservation through the Webcheckout patron portal. To get started, go to webcheckout.ccny.cuny.edu and log in using your CUNY Credentials. Enter the TOTP code sent to your Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you're logged in to the Webcheckout patron portal, click New Reservation and select iMedia Reservation Desk. After reviewing the loan policy, click Dismiss to continue. When selecting the reservation time, choose the same pickup and return date. Reservations can be made for a maximum of 3 hours. If you need additional time, simply let the staff member know when you arrive to pick up your equipment. Please keep in mind that there is a 15-minute pickup window for your scheduled reservation. If the equipment is not picked up within that window, the reservation will automatically expire. To select your equipment, click Browse Catalog and select the type of equipment you would like to reserve. For this example, we'll select an iPad. Click Add Item in the upper right corner to add the iPad to the cart. You can also add additional items you may need. For this example, we'll add a power cable and a Logitech writing tool, and click on Add Item for each item that you want to include in the reservation. Once you've selected everything you need, click Return to Reservation, and you'll now see a summary of the reservation and the items that you've selected. When you're ready to complete your reservation, enter your reservation name, check the box confirming that you acknowledge responsibility for the equipment, and enter a contact number where you can be reached, and click Save Changes. Then click Submit Reservation. Your reservation has now been submitted, and you'll be able to view your scheduled reservation time. If you need to modify your reservation, click the pencil icon to edit it. Go back to Browse Catalog. For this example, let's add an iPad case. Select the case and click Add Item to add it to the cart. Then click Return Reservation to confirm that the item has been added. Once you're finished, click Submit Changes. If you want to remove an item from your reservation, click the pencil icon once again. Click the minus icon next to the item you want to remove. And after you're done, click Submit Changes. If you need to cancel your reservation entirely, click the cancel icon. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, you'll see a list of the items that were canceled. Faculty and staff can follow the same basic reservation process. Click New Reservation and selecting iMedia Reservation Desk. When selecting your reservation time, choose the same pickup and return date. Reservations can be made for a maximum of 3 hours. If you need additional time, let a staff member know when you arrive for pickup. There is a 15-minute pickup window for that scheduled reservation. After that time, the reservation will automatically expire. Next, click Browse Catalog. For faculty and staff, there will be an additional category for faculty staff only equipment. For this example, we'll go to Accessories and select 2 HDMI cables. Add each cable to your cart by clicking on Add Item on the top right. Then click Return to Reservation to review your selected items. If you need to reserve equipment on a weekly basis, click Manage Repeat and select Repeat Weekly. Choose the days of the week you need the equipment for, and then select the start and end date. Once you've entered your dates, click Add Repeats, and you'll now see a list of the reservation dates that have been created. If there's any issue with one of the dates, an error message will appear next to that date. Once everything looks correct, enter your reservation name, check the box confirming that you acknowledge responsibility for the equipment, and enter a contact number where you can be reached. Finally, click Save Changes, followed by Submit to complete your reservation. And your reservation is now submitted and ready for pickup.